everyone, welcome to the new video. Today we're gonna start a new series and we're gonna try to record most of the rustic roads here in Wisconsin. So if you don't know what a rustic road is, it's basically a road that there's not a lot of construction, it's really nice, there's a lot of greenery, and it's really enjoyable with the family or with motorcycles. So I'm gonna be doing it in a motorcycle, and I have a motorcycle, so I have a 1981 Suzuki GS 450, and I'm gonna try to go as far as I can with this motorcycle. As you can see, I have an old motorcycle, so it's a 40-year-old motorcycle, so hopefully it's gonna take me to most of the rustic roads here in Wisconsin. I'm really gonna try, but if you guys want to sponsor, or you guys like the videos that I'm gonna be making and you want to sponsor me, I'm gonna try to create a Gofundme account. So if you guys want me to record the videos, then maybe you will help me to get a new motorcycle if you guys really like it and enjoy it. But for now, I'm gonna try to make it as far as I can with my motorcycle. So hopefully you enjoy this series of video, and we'll see you in the new rustic road.